week exploring the Western Mediterranean aboard the luxury super yacht Emerald Sakara, we're docked in Nice. From here, it's just under an hour's drive to Cannes, where the Riviera meets the red carpet. I can't believe we're here on the steps of where the Cannes Film Festival is.
Yes, you are on the red carpet. Today it's not a long carpet like it is normally in May during the 12 days of the film festival. And you can see all the movie stars coming here.
So why do you think Cannes was chosen for the film festival?
Because it's not very far from Italy. The place is lovely, a marvelous light and a good weather. You've got the beach, the Croisette with very elegant hotel to welcome movie star. And it's a place to be. It's French Riviera, Côte d'Azur. So it's the most glamour place to do a film festival, I think.
Well, I think it's a glamorous place to get a photo. So will we go down and walk the red carpet?
Sure.
Let's go. Thank you. Sorry.
Here we are.
While the glamour of the Film Fest is an annual event, Cannes shines all year round. Especially along La Croisette, the city's seafront promenade. You just seem to walk a little bit more elegant walking on the most famous promenade in Cannes, or the world.
Yes, sure. This is one of the most famous promenades in the world. It's 3 kilometers long.
These days, it's world-renowned as a playground for the rich and famous. But like Antibes, Cannes came from much humbler beginnings.
In the past, it was only fishermen boats, and nowadays there are big yachts.
Super yachts.
Super yachts.
And when you're ready to swap the coast for the country, a half-hour inland is Grasse, the perfume capital of the world.
It's the only place to become a perfumer is France. You have 4 schools only, and